जय हिंद दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सबका शार्प स्टेपर कम्युनिटी में। तो देखिए, हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे पॉलिटी और पार्लियामेंट वाला चैप्टर हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे। बीच में कुछ ब्रेक हुआ बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीजंस। अब हम इसको कंटिन्यू रखेंगे। सो पार्लियामेंट 2 के साथ आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। इसके अलावा मॉर्निंग में मैंने वीडियो पोस्ट किया था जो हम जनरल साइंस डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, तो बायोलॉजी में वीडियो पोस्ट किया हुआ था, वो आप चेक कर सकते हैं। तो अभी अब रेगुलर ये आपको वीडियोज़ मिलेंगे। And apart from it, we have 4 videos in our playlist. We have 4 playlists in our channel. तो वो आप चेक कर सकते हैं। हिस्ट्री, इकोनॉमिक्स, इकोलॉजी और जोग्राफी कंप्लीट हो चुकी हैं। 2 अभी रनिंग है। ये कंप्लीट होते ही हमारा पूरा जो सेट है घटना चक्र का, वो कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। और करंट अफेयर्स में आई दृष्टि घटना चक्र करंट अफेयर्स रिवाइज करके रखा हुआ है। सो मीनवाइल वो आपको अभी जितने भी एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं उसके लिए डेफिनेटली हेल्प करेगा, और जैसे ही उसका अपडेटेड वर्जन आएगा वील डिस्कस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द पार्लियामेंट सेकेंड। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ स्टार्ट करते हैं। इन विच ईयर वॉज द राज्यसभा कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम? राज्यसभा पहली बार बना था 1952 में। सो राज्यसभा और द काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट इज द अपर हाउस ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट ऑफ इंडिया। आर्टिकल 80 जो है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का, इट लेज डाउन मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ राज्यसभा इज 250, आउट ऑफ विच 12 मेंबर्स जो हैं दे विल बी नॉमिनेटेड बाय प्रेसिडेंट। The present strength of Rajya Sabha is 245, including 12 nominated members. 1/3 of the members retire every 2 years. तो 1/3 मेंबर हर 2 साल में रिटायर होते हैं। राज्यसभा बना था 3 अप्रैल 1952 को। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द राज्यसभा कंसिस्ट ऑफ, सो इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 250 मेंबर्स, जिसमें से कि 12 नॉमिनेटेड होते हैं। So Article 80 of the Constitution is about the composition of the Council of States, that is Rajya Sabha, and it states that there shall not be more than 238 representatives of the states and union territories. The Council of the States shall consist of 12 members which are nominated by the President. Next देखते हैं, representation of states and Council of States is based on, so it is based on the ratio of their population. ठीक है, रेशियो ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन पे बेस्ड होते हैं। सो रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ स्टेट्स एंड काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट्स इज बेस्ड ऑन द रेशियो ऑफ द स्टेट पॉपुलेशन. Number of seats or representatives of a state in Rajya Sabha has been determined by the 4th schedule of the Constitution. Next question, consider the following statements. Union territories are not represented in Rajya Sabha. गलत है, Union territories represent होती हैं. It is within the purview of the Chief Election Commissioner to adjudicate the election disputes. ठीक है, तो ये बोल रहे हैं कि it is within the purview of Chief Election Commissioner to adjudicate the election disputes. तो देखिए, चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर नहीं करते हैं, ये बेसिकली आपका पिटिशन के तौर पे जाता है जुडिशरी में. देन अकॉर्डिंग टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया द पार्लियामेंट कंसिस्ट ऑफ द लोकसभा एंड द राज्यसभा ओनली. देखिए, पार्लियामेंट में लोकसभा भी आता है, राज्यसभा भी आता है और प्रेसिडेंट भी आते हैं. ठीक है, तो प्रेसिडेंट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ पार्लियामेंट. सो कौन सा स्टेटमेंट इनमें से सही है? तो तीनों ही स्टेटमेंट गलत हैं. सो नन इज करेक्ट. UT are represented in Council of States and there are 3 seats for Delhi, 1 for Puducherry and 4 seats for Jammu and Kashmir in the Council of States. Now election disputes are adjudicated by judiciary in the mode of election petition according to Article 79. Parliament consists of the President, House of the People and Council of States. So all the statements are given are wrong. Next, the member of Council of States are elected by, so member of Council of States elect किए जाते हैं member of Legislative Assembly of States के द्वारा. So according to Article 80 Clause 4 of the Constitution, the representatives of each state in the Council of State shall be elected by the elected members of Legislative Assembly. तो ये कौन elect करेगा? जो elected members हैं Assembly के of State in accordance with the proportional representation by means of single transferable vote. What is the tenure of a member of Council of State? So tenure होगा इनका 6 years. So according to section 83, the Council of States is the upper house of permanent house of Parliament, and it is not subject to dissolution, but as nearly as possible 1/3 of the members therefore shall retire as soon as may be on the expiration of every second year. So the tenure of the members of Council of the State is 6 years. तो 6 साल का tenure होता है. Member of Rajya Sabha, next question, member of Rajya Sabha is elected for, तो again 6 साल के लिए होते हैं. Next, Rajya Sabha is called permanent house because all members are lifelong. It cannot be dissolved. Some members retire after every 2 years. देखिए, डिजॉल्व नहीं होता है, इसलिए इसको लाइफ परमानेंट हाउस बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन राज्यसभा इज, dissolved once in 2 years, dissolved every 5 years, dissolved every 6 years is not subject to dissolution, तो डिजॉल्व नहीं होती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राइट टू डिजॉल्व द राज्यसभा इज वेस्टेड इन, तो किसी के पास नहीं, डिजॉल्व नहीं होती है राज्यसभा. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट राज्यसभा इज करेक्ट? इट इज़ नॉट द सब्जेक्ट टू डिसोल्यूशन, सो इट इज़ ओनली करेक्ट. अब और देख लेते हैं एक बार आगे. इट्स मेंबर्स आर चोजन बाय डायरेक्ट इलेक्शन फ्रॉम टेरिटोरियल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज. इट रिक्वायर्ड टू चूज एज soon as may be by the member of Rajya Sabha and the chairman thereof, and the Attorney General of India shall not have the right to speak in Rajya Sabha. ठीक है, तो इसमें से जो सही है वो ये है that it is not subject to dissolution. ठीक है, तो इसके जो मेंबर्स होते हैं वो इलेक्ट किए जाते हैं इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबलीज के द्वारा. द टेन्योर ऑफ मेंबर ऑफ काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट्स ये है 6 साल एंड 1/3 मेंबर्स रिटायर एवरी 2 years. And the Council of State shall not be subject to dissolution. The Vice President of India is ex officio chairman of Council of States and Attorney General of India, and has the right to speak in both the houses of the Parliament. Next is, how is Rajya Sabha dissolved? So Rajya Sabha कैसे dissolve होती है? तो भाई Rajya Sabha dissolve होती ही नहीं है. ठीक है. Next question, how is Rajya Sabha dissolved? तो again none of the above. The number of members nominated by President in Rajya Sabha is 12. तो 12 मेंबर्स को नॉमिनेट किया जाता है. आर्टिकल 80 इट सेज दैट द प्रेसिडेंट मे नॉमिनेट 12 पर्सन इन राज्यसभा बिलोंगिंग टू द एरिया ऑफ लिटरेचर. तो देखिए 4 एरियाज हैं, 4 एरियाज आपको याद रखने हैं. ठीक है, लिटरेचर, साइंस, आर्ट एंड सोशल सर्विसेज. President may nominate in Council of States a total of 12 members. Next question, the first actress to be nominated to Rajya Sabha. तो ये थी नरगिस दत्त. The first actor to be nominated to Rajya Sabha was Nargis Dutt. She was the first Indian actress who was nominated to Rajya Sabha in 1980. इनका टेन्योर था फ्रॉम 3 अप्रैल 1980 टू 3 मई 1981. वैजंती माला फिर नॉमिनेट हुई राज्यसभा में 27 अगस्त 27 अगस्त 1993 से 26 अगस्त 1999 तक. जयललिता became the member of Rajya Sabha from 3 April 1984 to this 28th January 1989. And Devika Rani Chaudhary was the first Indian actress to receive Dadasaheb Phalke Award in 1969. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the Rajya Sabha? So it says that only 1/3 of its member retire every 2 years. So 1/3 of the member retire होते हैं every 2 years. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कम्स अंडर द एक्सक्लूसिव पावर ऑफ काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट्स? एक्सक्लूसिव पावर ऑफ काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट्स आते हैं क्रिएशन ऑफ न्यू ऑल इंडिया सर्विसेज. सो क्रिएशन ऑफ न्यू ऑल इंडिया सर्विसेज कम्स अंडर द एक्सक्लूसिव पावर ऑफ काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट्स. वन और मोर ऑल इंडिया सर्विसेज can be created by the resolution of the Council of States supported by not less than 2/3 of the members present and voting. The creation of all India services is provided by Article 312. Which of the following is not correct regarding the power of Parliament to legislate on a matter in the state list? So only the Rajya Sabha can make laws with respect to a matter in the state list in the national interest. So statement D incorrect हो जाएगा because according to article 249 जो parliament है it may legislate on any subject enumerated in the state list. किसी भी subject पे. तो आपने जिसमें गलत हुआ है वो इसलिए because they said the only Rajya Sabha can make laws with respect to a matter in state and national interest. Now to enable the parliament to make such law, Council of States must have passed a resolution to that effect supported by 2/3 of its members present and voting. Now such a law must be necessary to be or expedient in the national interest. Law made under Article 249 by Parliament may operate over the whole part or any territory of India. Next, which article of the Indian Constitution compares the Parliament to legislate on a subject of state list? So ये है Article 249. Next question. The Parliament of India acquires the power to legislate on any item in the state list in the national interest if a resolution to that effect is passed by. So, if a resolution to that effect is passed by Rajya Sabha is a majority not less than 2/3 and of its members present and voting. ठीक है, तो राज्यसभा जो है it by a majority of not less than 2/3 members present and voting. Next question. Consider the following statement. Rajya Sabha has no power either to reject or to amend a bill. ठीक है. Next is the Rajya Sabha cannot vote on demand on the demands of grants. Rajya Sabha cannot discuss the annual financial statement. तो देखिए 1 और 2 करेक्ट है. डिस्कस कर सकते हैं एनुअल फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट. सो आर्टिकल 109 ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, मनी बिल shall be introduced in the Council of States. So after money bill has been passed by the House of People, it shall be transmitted to the Council of States for its recommendation, and Council of States shall be given a period of 14 days from the date of its receipt of the bill. Return the bill to the House of the People with its recommendation, and House of the People may thereupon either accept or reject all or any of the recommendation of the Council of States. So Rajya Sabha has no power either to reject or to amend the bill. Now according to देखिए थ्रोट का थोड़ा ज़्यादा इन्फेक्शन है इसलिए बीच में ब्रेक हो रहा है. So according to Article 113 Clause 2 of the Indian Constitution, estimates are submitted in the form of demands for grants to the House of People, and only House of People has the power to assent or to refuse to assent. Now Rajya Sabha cannot vote on demand for grants. So statement 1 and 2 are correct and statement 3 is wrong. Rajya Sabha can discuss the annual financial statement, but it does not have any power to vote. Next question. Which of the following special powers has been conferred on Rajya Sabha by the Constitution of India? So it can pass the to pass a resolution empowering the Parliament to make laws in the state list and to create one or more All India services. The Rajya Sabha has equal powers with Lok Sabha in. So they are saying that Rajya Sabha has equal powers with Lok Sabha in amending the Constitution. So देखिए Rajya Sabha has equal powers with Lok Sabha in amendment of the Constitution according to Article 368 of the Constitution. The amendment to the Constitution may be initiated only by the introduction of a bill for the purpose of either life देखिए ये बोल रहे हैं कि it may be initiated only by the introduction of a bill for the purpose in either House of the Parliament, and when the bill is passed in each house by a majority of the total membership of that house and by a majority of not less than 2/3 of the members of the house present and voting, now it shall be presented to the President, who shall give his assent to the bill, and thereupon the Constitution shall stand amended and in the accordance with the terms of the bill. Next question. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution empowers the Parliament to legislate on any matter in the state list? So it is Article 249. All right. So we'll keep it till here. 25 questions और बचे हैं, वो हम next video में देखेंगे. Till then, keep revising, keep studying. Like कीजिएगा वीडियो को, subscribe the channel and share the video. जय हिंद, जय भारत.